Hello everyone, welcome to DSN Space. My name is Davis. Today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about chess. Let's get into this. So I'm going to start by telling you what the name of the pieces are and how they move, what they do in the game, and how they help their team. So this is the classic chessboard. As you can see, it's white. It's some sort of silver. The pieces are white and the other pieces are black. Some other chess games come in chess mats instead of chess boards. And one stadium or chessboard, I saw that the black was brown, and sometimes these are gold or tan. So this is what a chessboard looks like with all the pieces. This is the classic style. So all the pawns are supposed to be on the first line. All the officials is supposed to be in the back line. The same for the black team. That's how you set up. For some reason, sometimes people want to do their own setup, but if you're doing like a real chess match, this is how you would set everything up. So now I'm going to be talking about the names. This is the rook. There are two of them. These are the knights. There are two of them. These are the bishops. There are two of them. This is the queen, the most powerful piece. There's one of them. This is the king, one of the most powerful pieces on the chessboard, and it's also the key to winning. These are the pawns. There are 8 of them, and they're pretty much for sacrifice. Now I'm going to be showing you how the pieces move. So first, I'm going to start with my 3D chessboard. So how the pawns move, they go forward and they can't go back. They go forward. And at the start of the game, they're allowed to go like double forward or like double forward like that, but only at the beginning of the game. So this is the bishop now. If the bishop is set on a black, that's the only color it can stay on. It's kind of like a bridge. So for instance, if it can't go off diagonal because the bishops only go diagonal. It could go here, it can't go here, so it only stays on the black like this. So it can never ever go off its bridge. The same as this one is on white, so it cannot go off. This is the queen. The reason why I like this queen so much is that it can go diagonal, forward, sideways, the other sideways, back, but it can't go in L's like the knight. So this is the knight. It looks like a horse. It only can move in L's like this. Like that. Finally, this is the king. It's really, really good. It can go in any direction but one spot, like this. Like in the middle, like this, diagonal, 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 forward, backward, sideways, sideways. But the game is over as soon as the other team checkmates your king. For instance, thing is here, or the thing is here, bishop is here, so the king can go that way. The other bishop is right here, so the king can go that way. The rook is right here, the other rook is right here, and maybe the king is right there, so it can be in checkmate. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, be alert for my next chess gaming video. Bye!